Welcome to another elevation build creation. Natalie, I hope you love this. So what we have here is a deck measuring 22 by 15, a lounging area that is about 140 square feet, and then a secondary lounging area in the pass-through that's about 180 square feet. Both are EVA slate and Techo block, beautiful Champlain gray, a walk-through between them of Crusher Run with a border with boxwoods, azaleas, evergreens, beautiful spotlighting, and the slate that we're able to repurpose is found at the property. Here we have a gorgeous fire pit lounge area that can easily sit 6 to 8 people comfortably, and a maintenance-free mulch bed area of gravel base that leads onto, as you can see, a composite timber deck in a silver maple color with white aluminum rotted and very beautiful uplit area. A true oasis, place to get away, and a maintenance-free backyard. Thank you for listening.